It's time. Time to get ready for a very special challenge. It's time. Time for 4 major partners to tackle that challenge together. At PPG, the world leader in aerospace coatings, experts are discussing strategies for accomplishing a unique task. From millions of different shades, they need to find exactly the right ones. These are analyzed by computer and characterized. And finally, they need to be tested to ensure they are suitable under all conceivable lighting conditions. After that, it's the designer's turn. He determines the distribution of the colors and thereby the ultimate look of the new Alaska Airlines aircraft. The time has come. Time to accept the challenge. Starting with just 7 solid base coat paints, 42 different shades are created. And 35 shades are created from just 4 Basecoat Mica effect paints. The various partners confer. How can the perfect result be achieved? And how can 2 planes be painted in parallel in a single hangar? Final checks are carried out on the equipment. This job will require his every skill. The templates are arranged to guide the painters later on. The 2 A321 Alaska Airlines aircraft are brought into position, back to back, and the primer applied. It's all about the right mix. 42 different shades of base coat paint and 35 shades of mica effect paint are applied with the utmost precision. Our paint shop worker and his colleagues apply the paint with even, steady, and sweeping strokes. Every 40 centimeters, a new shade is applied at an angle of 60 degrees. The wet and wet technique used here is particularly tricky, calling for one's full concentration at all times. Step by step, the 2 aircraft are transformed into ravishing beauties.
We are very honored that Alaska Airlines selected PPG coating systems. Airbus team did an amazing job to make this special, unique art piece happen. Thank you so much.
The result is amazing. We had an excellent teamwork between Alaska Airlines, the paint manufacturer PPG, and our design team. And I'm especially proud of the painters' results because it was really exhaustive work. The result is amazing, it speaks for itself.
Put your hands together. Put your hands together for a fantastic achievement by all those involved at Airbus, Alaska Airlines, GCAS, and PPG.